Hello everyone, I'm Miss Crizel Jane Vitorilio Torres, proudly representing Talakag, Bukidnon. This is my first national pageant. At first, I am very hesitant to join the Miss Philippines Earth because I don't have that much experience and ideas of what's going on into a national pageant. But my dear Talakagnon, especially our LGU, really motivates me to join because they see the potential in me, and I'm really happy and love them for them to give their trust on me and to proudly wear the sash and represent my beloved municipality, Talakag. Today's activity is the judging of the face of the beauty, with like bare face po talaga, and the judging also of the form, in which we have worn our swimwear with a touch of silver, and it is a very great opportunity to everyone, for us candidates, to show to the Philippines that we have what it takes of the beauty and also the form to be your next Miss Philippines Earth, and hopefully to represent into the international stage. I have prepared physically by having my diet and a little bit of exercise. Mentally, I have my Q&A session as well as self-study, and spiritually, I have actually my pinupuntahan po talagang church. It's the Mother of Perpetual Help also, which can be found in the Bukidnon. So yeah, that's my preparation po. There's a lot of activities that we have done and we will be doing, but I believe and I think the very favorite activity that I have is to be with the girls most of the time, because we have built sisterhood, we have built friendship. I have built 35 more friends because we're 36. So yeah, it's my favorite activity to be able to mingle with them and to know them more. Hello everyone, it's me again, Crizel Jane Torres from Talakag, Bukidnon, and I am inviting everyone, especially my beloved Talakagnons, to give your support on me as I take on the stage and the coronation night on August 10 at Okada, Manila. See you all there, and thank you so much for all the support.